Hello and welcome to a short video which I'll be showing you how to security test any LLM in under a minute using AegisRT, which is an open source red teaming framework for AI. If you're building chatbots, agents, or anything powered by LLMs, your model can be tricked. AegisRT automates finding vulnerabilities before your users do. And let me show you how it works. So to get started on Aegis, it's actually really simple. All you have to do is run this command here and it will initialize a file for you. You can make any changes you want in that file. And once you've done that, you can just run the next command. AegisRT will send adversarial prompts to your model. These include prompt injection, data leakage, refusal bypass, tool misuse, and this uses an LLM judge to grade whether the model has complied. You will get your results here in the CLI or in the dashboard, which I will show you later. You're not limited to built-in probes. You can write your own attack prompts and AegisRT will test them for you. In these examples, we have 5 real-world attacks: CTO impersonation, fake tool results. Each one is a prompt injection technique which we've seen in production. You'll be able to see all your results by running this command. This will create a dashboard for you. And over on this side, we have the results table. The evaluate page shows every test case, which probe was used, the severity, whether it passed or failed, and the confidence score. By clicking any finding, you'll see the full attack chain, the exact prompt that was sent, and the model's raw response and other stuff. The investigate page is for triage. Mark findings that are false positives and assign them to team members and add notes. Everything persists across runs, so you'll always know what's been reviewed and what still needs attention. Alright, that's all I have for you guys. Have fun using and thanks for listening.